We're GAF. We make roofing that protects against rain and shine. We protect hometowns and downtowns. We protect Sunday mornings and Sunday afternoons. We're a roof that saves energy and a roof that makes energy. We're the people behind the product and the ones on top of it. We protect what matters most. We're GAF.
Hello, my name is Ty Meredith, owner of Meredith Home Improvements. We've been family owned and operated right here in Pittsburgh for over 38 years. At Meredith Home Improvements, we pride ourselves on the quality of the job that we complete for you. We use only the best installers and craftsmen in the area that meet our high standards. Each and every one of our jobs are inspected by a quality control manager or project supervisor. At the end of the job, our motto and guarantee to you is that you are completely satisfied. Let's face it, a roof protects your most valuable asset, your home. I invite you to join the thousands of satisfied customers that have used Meredith Home Improvements for nearly 40 years right here in Pittsburgh. Thank you for choosing Meredith Home Improvements.
When installing a new roof, you want something that protects your home for years to come and looks great. With the GAF Energy Solar System, you'll not only get a roof that's secure and stylish, it's also financially smart, as solar can save you money on your energy bills, and the solar can pay for itself and your roof over time. There is no better time to go solar than when you're installing a new roof. It's one project, one crew, with less disruption and hassle within your home. The GAF Energy Solar Solution is what we call direct to deck, meaning it won't compromise your roof's waterproofing protection. And it can come with the best warranty in the business from a company that has been around for over a century. Our solar roofs are well designed by roofing experts for roofers. They look great because it's integrated into the roof. GAF Energy Solar Systems allow you to turn your roof into a financial asset. It generates energy for your home so you can run on sunshine. That means you won't need to buy as much power from your electric utility, lowering your monthly bill. With a policy called net metering, you can also feed electricity back into the grid when your solar is producing more electricity than your home is using. You'll get a credit for that electricity, lowering your power bill even further. And with tax incentives available, your overall solar system costs can be considerably lower, meaning even more savings for you. With all of these savings, the system can actually pay for itself and even your new roof over time. There are over 2 million solar homes in the US now, and more people are switching to clean renewable energy every year. Your roofer can create a customized solar proposal for you by assessing your roof and looking at your power bill. The proposal will have pricing specific to your new roof and solar project. Again, there is no better time to go solar than when you're installing a new roof. So consider choosing a GAF Energy Solar System that is roof integrated, saves you time and money, and contributes to a vision of energy from every roof.
Hey guys, Jonathan Broach with Meredith Home Improvements. Wanted to thank you guys for coming to see us at the home show. It's customers like you that we thoroughly enjoy, and we can't wait to see you guys and do your project here soon. So whether it's roofing, solar, James Hardy siding, or attic insulation, you know who to call. Meredith Home Improvements. Thank you and have a great day.
Solar roofing systems like this one have become popular for many reasons, the biggest of which is savings on your electrical bill. At GAF, we've improved on the technology and installation of the system. For one thing, all the components on this roof work together and are included. Another improvement is that the panels secure to the deck instead of being rack mounted, making them easier to install. The low profile of each panel blends better with the roofscape. It creates a more seamless and attractive look on the roof. We'll show you how the GAF Solar Energy System installs in a few easy steps. One quick note is that the system is not designed for low or flat roofs. At least a 412 pitch is required. Let's get started. All roofing jobs require best practices to keep you and your workers safe. Make sure that you are OSHA compliant at all times. Be familiar with all the safety instructions that come with the GAF Solar Energy System. Always wear personal protective equipment on the job. On the roof, use 2 people to carry the panels, and always follow best practices you'd use on any roofing job. On the job site, you'll likely get a pallet with all the packaged materials. Please open them up and inventory everything prior to your installation. The solar panel components include the panel and a variety of fasteners specifically made to work with them, like weeb lugs, carriage bolts, deck screws, hex screws, and Dynabond, a wire used as part of the grounding system. You'll have multiple components of step flashing, corner flashing, counter flashing, top flashing, and its insert. The panel's bottom support comes from a starter bar and adjustable feet. You'll need the standard underlayment for roofing jobs, StormGuard, plus VersaShield Solo gives you the Class A fire rating and is used underneath the panels. In a perfect world, the deck surface is smooth and clean. Here we've already completed tear-off and have begun installing our StormGuard. In a re-roof situation, it's important to remove or hammer in any protruding nails on the deck surface. Sweep away any dirt or debris. Once the deck is clean and clear, Follow best roofing practices as they apply in your part of the country. We've secured the drip edge along the eaves. We've installed the StormGuard underlayment in place. A starter strip is secured along the eaves and rakes. Then the first row of shingles goes down. Now we put in Quick Start. It's convenient because it's peel and stick and continuous. Next, more StormGuard as a subroof, plus its secondary waterproofing. Be familiar with your plans because your solar panels may require certain clearances. Some of those clearances are dictated by code, others by the roof that you're working on. VersaShield Solo is the underlayment that's directly under the solar panels. It provides the system with a Class A fire rating. It's secured with cap nails. Now we snap a line that marks the location for the starter bar. Each panel requires some pre-assembly. It's easiest to do this on the ground. You can split your crew. While one finishes this job, the others can prep the deck. Can I get a hand? Each panel has 5 adjustable feet bases that are bolted on. These are self-tapping hex bolts. There's also an MLPE bracket that attaches at this point. It supports the power electronic piece. This GAF solar energy system has 12 panels, 3 rows of 4. The component that gives the system its strong foundation is the starter bar. We line up the starter bar to the chalk line we snapped earlier. Once we're sure it's aligned and leveled, it's screwed down to the deck. The solar panel and starter bar have interlocking J-channels that hook into one another. The panel's held at a 45-degree angle to latch into the starter bar and then lowered into place. Ideally, the solar panels fit square and snug together on the decking. There are often variations on the decking. That's why our solar panels come with adjustable feet. The reveal between panels should not exceed 1/16 to 1/4 inch. Once all the panels are positioned, they're secured to the deck with GAF-approved fasteners. Now we make a few simple electrical connections. Earlier, we connected the power electronic to the panel. One wire is set aside for the home run. Now we can electrically link the panels together. The other one is designed to easily connect to the next panel. Now we add the third wire. It's a continuous run of bare copper grounding wire. There's a spot for it on the power electronic. Tighten the W-plug until it's snug. This grounding wire will run continuously all the way up to the top where it will eventually get pulled into the junction box. Now that you've seen how easy it is to install the system, we're going to go over all the flashing. There's a top flashing insert. It's factory built to snap into place. Supports go on the ends and between the seams of each panel. They're nailed in place. Before all this is covered up with the top flashing, we fish through the Dynabond, which is the U-shaped wire that grounds the top flashing to the system. The longer piece connects the grounding to the W-plug. The top flashing interlocks with the flashing insert. Make sure you push it firmly enough in the center so it interlocks properly. Make sure it's straight across the top before securing it. 4 to 6 nails per top flashing. You step flash up the sides like you would a high-end skylight. The counter flashing is one of the finishing touches that makes this look different than other solar systems. No tools required, it just snaps into place. The corner flashing interlocks with the top flashing. To transition into the shingling, cut an L-shaped piece of StormGuard and place it over the corners. Then StormGuard, followed by Quick Start, and you can do your shingling. Important rule with this system, there needs to be at least 1 row of shingles before you hit the ridge. We followed the wire diagram, and now all 3 wires are pulled up toward the junction box, ready for the electrician. If you and your crews are just starting off with GAF solar energy systems, make sure you read our instructions and watch our videos. Thanks for watching.